Hello guys, our today's question is the compound that gives the following 1H NMR spectral data is below. The 1H NMR data in CdCl3 solvent, the delta ppm value is 11.8 singlet 1H, 7.69 doublet, J value is 2.3 Hz and 1H, 7.35 doublet of doublet, J value is 8.5 and 2.3, that is 1H. Another delta ppm value is 6.86, that is a doublet, J value is 8.5 Hz, that is for the 1H. Another delta ppm value is 2.63 singlet, this is for 3 hydrogen, and last value is 2.28 singlet, that is for the 3 hydrogen. Now according to the 1H NMR data, 11.8 that is singlet and O for 1H. Next is 7.69 doublet 1H 2.3 Hz, that is for the meta coupling. We know that for the ortho coupling we get the 7 to 10 Hz, for meta coupling 2 to 4 Hz, and for para coupling we get the 0 to 1. Next 7.35 doublet of doublet 1H 8.5 and 2.3 Hz, that is ortho and meta respectively. Next is the 6.86, that is doublet 1H 8.5 Hz, and this is for the ortho. And last is 2.63 S, and this is for the 3 hydrogen, that is methyl is maybe present. 2.28, that is singlet 3H. Here also 3 hydrogen on carbon is maybe present. According to the first structure, this methyl is attached to the carbonyl, therefore their value is nearby to 4. In our NMR data we do not get the any value of according to this methoxycarbon. In option number C, this hydrogen is shielded to ortho, therefore its value is highly high, therefore we do not get the high value of the ortho hydrogen. In option D, no aromatic hydrogen with only meta coupling, therefore the option D is also eliminated. In option B, the 1H, there is 11.8 and 2 hydrogen, that is ortho with respect to the OH, and 1 hydrogen is or meta with respect to OH, and 1 hydrogen, this is highly de-shielded due to the presence of the carbonyl. Therefore our correct answer is a B.